So if you want to start making leather belts, or you just started and you want to up your game a little bit, I want to show you how I use Weaver's Little Wonder and a couple of their tools to maybe help you improve your process. So I'm just using a little piece of scrap here. I've already got my end punched and my slot punched in there. So first couple tools are just I use a 1.5 inch round punch, or you can use an English punch, whichever you prefer. I use the 1 1/8 inch oblong punch. After that, we're moving on over to the Little Wonder, which for the belts specifically, there are 3 really important attachments that I feel like can help you out a ton and have helped me out a ton. So the first pieces you need are the threaded punch handle and then the gang punch tube. So you'll buy these separately, and this screws in together and it allows you to punch holes on the Little Wonder. And then the other piece is the little brass anvil. So now you've got those attachments in there. You'll go to your first hole, you'll set that first hole, and then another great little feature of the Little Wonder is this centering guide. So after you've got that first hole set, you can set this up and tighten it so that now all of your holes are going to be perfectly aligned down the center of your belt. So then I can punch all my holes, and that's how quickly I can punch all my holes. So the next attachment that I highly recommend is the side loop staple setter with an anvil. I'll just set my anvil down here in the bottom. I'll put the staple setter here on the top, tighten it in there. So then you can just load a staple up into the top piece here. You can see here, I just wrap this over the edge here, and boom. You've got your belt loop stapled up, ready to go. The last attachment I highly recommend is the double cap rivet attachment. Throw it in there, install your rivet, and set it. And just like that, you got a belt ready to go.